It's actually a very, very important one. Oh, they know very good what that means. They know very fucking good what exactly that means. They know very, very good exactly what that means. I don't even have to say involved in MK Ultra. This is when I was thrown into the psychiatric hospital. And I don't know what I would say to this stuff. I have no idea what I would say to this. They were involved directly, the Supreme Court, the justices in this. What I'm trying to say is, in respect to this guy here, I don't know what I would say. He was heavily involved during my hospitalization, psychiatric hospitalization. I wouldn't say that he wanted me dead. I would just say that he started to grow up real fast. See, in this case. And also enjoying it, enjoying to see a human fall apart too. He had his shit scenarios involved in it. But it's out there. All through silent, it is out there. Every one of these pictures had its meaning. This was my second psychiatric hospitalization. He actually suggested that he would publish the list, the cities where I was the most. No, that's not true. That is totally, totally untrue. I don't see London. So I spent a lot of time there. He had the whole classified file, everything. He studied the cities where I was at and so on, everything. This is a young guy, this is a young man, and it's possible that he did not know anything. It's possible that young people did not know fucking thing about Soviet Union and Yugoslavia. It's very possible that they had no idea about who I was, other than from the perspective they This is going to be my thumbnail. The picture that you see right there, Jesse was meeting the Supreme Court justices on opportunity. He did meet them. He was involved in MK Ultra way before. This was actually a major supporter of mine, this Jesse. He communicated with this guy, and this was in agreement with this guy to put this stuff on the Facebook. He came to visit the Supreme Court. He met with the justices. This is the way this stuff was. And I was his major supporter throughout his university years. Studied really math. Yep, this is the guy. University of Chicago. This kid cannot receive any of my friend requests or anything like that. That's actually quite interesting. I want to make sure that they control the environment. May want to go and do this kind of stuff. This kid was actually completely okay. This kid completed his university, and just about when he completed the university, as he got involved into this stuff, is when they threw me into the psychiatric hospital. That's when he completed the university. This goes directly to 2012. He said to me like this. He said to me, I am sorry, but we are not going to be capable to exploit this case together to resolve this case. He actually even apologized to me, and it was because of the psychiatric hospitalization. He finished his university, I would say, sometimes like in 2011. All right, so what I'll do is I'm going to deal with the Central Intelligence Agency in my own way. This was actually a very, very pleasant and tolerant kid throughout his university. I remember him now very good. It was this psychiatric hospitalization that Robertson, right, that's a justice, the Supreme Court justice, the one that I demonstrated you. As if he deputized him to put something on the internet, because he was totally involved. The Supreme Court involved him completely throughout the psychiatric hospitalization, through the torture, and he witnessed torture and directly what took place, psychiatric hospitalization. I did not understood this properly. That's the way this stuff works. That's how that went on. This is how it worked. And then he just started to expand his mind. This girl here was involved in it. He visited our house. A boy that I just mentioned you, Jesse, visited our house many times. And I did not go through other profiles. I didn't go through that.